Ever wondered how some videos go viral while others barely make a blip on the radar? It's all about understanding and working with the YouTube algorithm. Let's dive in. The YouTube algorithm is like the wizard behind the curtain. It's a set of calculations and decisions that YouTube uses to decide which videos to recommend and to whom. It's the secret sauce that can make or break your content. You see, the algorithm isn't just about views anymore. It's now more focused on viewer engagement. It's all about watch time, likes, shares, and comments. So, how can you make this wizard work in your favor? The key is consistency. Regularly uploading quality content increases your chances of getting onto the algorithm's good side. Remember, quality over quantity. Another tip for winning the algorithm game is to optimize your metadata. Your titles, descriptions, and tags should be relevant, engaging, and chock full of keywords. Think of it as dressing your video for success, but it's not just about the video itself. Interaction is key. The more you engage with your viewers through comments, the more the algorithm likes you. So don't be shy, start a conversation. Playlists also play a huge role. By grouping relevant videos together, you can increase your watch time. So, create playlists around popular topics or themes and watch your views skyrocket. Are you a fan of collaborations? Well, so is the algorithm. Collaborating with other creators can boost your visibility. It's like having a friend vouch for you at a party. And let's not forget about the power of thumbnails. A compelling thumbnail can make or break a video's success. So, get creative, experiment, and see what catches the viewer's eye. Ultimately, the algorithm is a tool. It's there to help YouTube deliver the right content to the right viewers. As a creator, understanding and leveraging the algorithm can help your content reach its full potential. So there you have it, the YouTube algorithm, decoded. Remember, it's not about gaming the system. It's about understanding it, working with it, and creating content that your audience will love. So, go for it. Start creating. And remember, the algorithm is watching. So let's give it something good to see. Until next time, keep creating. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.